I'd like to just show you why indexers exist, and then I'll point you to some other content that can help you go a little deeper into this. So those are the learning targets. And the introduction here says, well, we've already learned a lot about transactions. If I look at a review of the course, right, people got started and they minted a PPBL 2024 token. That requires a transaction. And then after you minted your token, you used it in the live demo at Plutus PBL. And let's look at this for just a second, actually. So here on the Plutus PBL live examples, if I connect a pre-prod wallet, first of all, I can see whether or not I have the token. And in this particular wallet, I do. But then for learning target 100.5, remember, and this learning target says, I can interact with a Cardano application. That's what people are invited to do right here. And this is a very basic application. All it does is it says, hey, if you have the PPBL 2024 token, we will allow you to withdraw 1 million scaffold tokens from this faucet. It's not a very complicated app, but we do use it in future lessons to help people go a little deeper. Why am I showing this to you right now? Because at the end of the day, this requires a transaction. When you build a dapp on Cardano, usually your goal is going to be to facilitate transactions on chain, because transactions are how we update the state of the ledger. Without transactions, all we're doing is we're looking at data. But here's the thing. For any application, people aren't going to build transactions without having a reason. So your app has to provide a user experience with enough information so that people will start building transactions in your app, doing the things that you're trying to facilitate. You're going to have to present information that's currently on the blockchain in order to facilitate this. And there's a silly example right here, right? This shows you how many tokens are still locked at the faucet address. But that's just a basic example of what I mean by blockchain information. And this is why we have queries.